Hi guys, I'm excited to talk to you today about a product that was presented to me about a week ago. I didn't even know that this type of thing existed, but I wanted to talk to you about it today because we've had deals and situations where customers, had we known about this product, probably could have saved the deal and at minimum would have saved them thousands of dollars in repair costs that they wouldn't have had to incur. So this product, what is it? It is a product where they go in and they actually, without digging anything up, they can actually repair sewer lines and different plumbing lines that are underground without digging anything up, which when you're going under sidewalks, driveways, roads, that can get really, really expensive to put a shovel in the ground and start digging stuff up. So this product, what it does is it actually, they go in, they auger through and open up, make sure that there's nothing in the way on that pipe. They go through and with a camera and make sure that it's wide open and they clean the whole thing out. Once they're done with that, they actually put a liner through and then they bring a blue light through and that actually cures the liner. And they do, I think, 2 applications of that. I might be wrong, but by the time you're done, you have a brand new pipe, all intents and purposes, which is fantastic because it's done faster, it's cleaner, and sometimes, quite often, depending on what you're digging under, it's cheaper, which is great. So the family that actually does this is Matt Perretta. We've known these folks for years and years and years. And whenever it comes to this type of application, knowing the people that you're dealing with and knowing the type of folks that they are is really important. And I can say without a shadow of a doubt, these are fantastic folks and they will take very, very good care of you or whoever you might recommend them to. So we will leave their contact information and feel free to reach out to them because, in the right situation, this may be a wonderful option for you. And like I said, I didn't know about it. I've been around this type of stuff for probably the last 12, 13 years. So feel free to reach out to them. I think they will be a wonderful option for you to consider. And if there's anything we can ever do, please reach out to us. We're happy to help. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.